Hey guys, Spencer Kaufman here. Today I'm walking you through the dark web scan and services on brandyourself.com. So Brand Yourself is an awesome tool that you can use to protect your personal information. So you can opt out of all kinds of public record databases. They'll remove any personal information for you with one click. You can check out previous videos in this playlist here on this card up here, and you can watch those to see how to create a free account, and then if you want, you can become a premium member. So you can do that all by clicking on the link in the description below. So here we are on the dark web side of things. Each service is individual, so you can see all the different services. We're going to be creating videos to go through each of these, so feel free to subscribe to this channel and click that bell icon to be notified when new videos are posted. So, as you can see here, we're on the dark web page. I've entered in the emails that I'm allotted. Sorry, they're blocked out here, so you can't be sending me spam or anything like that. And it says my info was exposed in the 12 data breaches below. So they scan over 450 different dark web sites or areas, locations where your information could be sold to hackers and identity thieves, etc. So we're going to go through one, and I have no idea what it means. It just says data enrichment exposure from a PDL customer. So we've got all this information, and then it tells you what account was compromised and then what to do about it. So you can enable ongoing removal from your data brokers after a breach. Now, that is a video that you can click on in this card right up here about protecting your private information. You can enable ongoing monitoring. So they will continually monitor 25 different websites, over 25 different websites for your personal information. And if they find it, bam, they're going to take it off for you. Scan your email for any old accounts. So they'll sift through your email, find any old accounts that you can then remove and delete. Also, use a disposable email service for any type of surveys, coupons, free things, etc. When you're done, you click the checkbox, and you're all done. So we're going to shoot down to the bottom of the page here, and you can see all of the information about what things are, how the dark web works. I won't go through it. You can do that yourself. What I'm going to show you is this. Here we've got a whole list of all of the different places that have been hacked and when they've been hacked and what has been hacked. There are, like I said, over 450. So you can see here, 444 was my safe and 456 are the known. Look at LinkedIn was one of them that I already fixed. They got hacked. So if you have a LinkedIn account, you're going to need this service. But it says the date, how many accounts were hacked on this nulled CH, 43,000. Look at this one, 12 million. 20 million, what they got, date of birth, email, gender, name, password, private messages here, IP addresses, physical addresses on this one. So they get all kinds of information by hacking these sites. So do yourself a favor, get on this website by following the link in the description below, and do a dark web scan. See if there's anything that you need to do to protect yourself and remove your information from the dark web and save any trouble that may happen from identity thieves, hackers, all the spam, etc. So check out the service. You can create a free account and then go from there. So I hope you subscribe to the videos and this channel because we've got a lot more videos coming out. So stay tuned for those. Until next time.